no matter the skill of the operator. The Russians counted on avoiding suspicion by holding their missiles and heavy arms until well past the shore. If nothing fiery lifted into the air, early alert systems might stay quiet, or so they thought. But sensors did not watch the sky. They listened to Earth. Missile or no missile, entry itself was the trigger. The plan rested on silence. And silence was impossible in a zone wired to hear everything. So, when perfect stealth crashed headlong into perfect vigilance, the result was no contest. The $85 million system made raw geography into something near impassable, a wall built not of bricks, but of certainty. Russian troops were spotted before they could strike, every single time. Yet, even with flawless technology humming at full strength, the defense still had weak points. Machines break, vehicles falter, and when that happened, the difference would come not from circuits, but from commanders making split-second calls under crushing pressure. What happens when a flawless defense plan meets its first cracks at the worst possible moment? For hours, the network had been precise, timely, and deadly in its awareness. But then came an hour where control began to wobble. At 5:46 a.m., the PD-2 reconnaissance drone that had been circling in a lazy figure 8 over the shoreline suddenly went blind. Its feed jittered, then cut to static. Ground crews tried to re-establish link, but nothing worked. The likely culprit was Russian electronic jamming, a weapon hard to see but devastating when it hit the right frequency. In an instant, one of 5 critical eyes in the sky closed, leaving the defensive picture missing a quadrant.